How to change your country on Binomo.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we will be learning how you can easily change your country in the Binomo.com website. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser of your choice and type in Binomo.com in the URL box in search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Binomo.com account, and once you're inside the main home page of Binomo, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Profile. Inside your account details page, scroll down and click the drop down under Deposit Country. Now select a country you want to change to, and once you do that, you'll be able to change your country on Binomo.com. If your account has already been verified, changing your country of residence may not be possible through self-service. You would need to contact Binomo support and provide documentations if you have genuinely moved to another country. So that's how you easily change your country on Binomo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.